Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a music disc on Instagram story. So if you are struggling to add music and also the music disc sticker to your Instagram story, in this video I'll walk you through how you can use the updated Instagram story music feature and add the stylish spinning disc with your favorite tracks. So in here you can start by clicking on Instagram app on your device. So open the Instagram applications. So if you want to make your stories more engaging and fun, you can try to use this music disc sticker. So what you need to do is just tap on this plus icon to open the Instagram camera, and then here just choose photos or videos as the background before you add the music. Okay, I'm going to just find one. For example, let's try to use this one right here. And now you can just tap on the music icon or music button at the top, and in here you can choose your favorite tracks from this list, or you can also search for a music title specifically. You can click on this. For example, I'm going to just find one song related to beach. You can just tap on enter and find the songs that you think fits into your uh Instagram story. Let's try to use this one. Okay, to enable the spinning disc sticker, you can just swipe on here, swipe to the left until you find this icons right here. And when once you choose that, you can see the spinning disc sticker on your Instagram story. Here you can tap on done, and after this you can modify it to how you like it. You can make it small, make it bigger, or adjust its position. For example, I'm going to make it small and put it at the bottom just like this. And if you want to, you can also add your dancing avatar to it. You can click on this spinning disc, and here at the top you'll see avatar icon. So once you click on that, your avatar, your dancing avatar will be shown at the top of the spinning disc. You can tap on done. You can always adjust the size of the avatar just like this. So that's how you can add the spinning disc or music disc stickers to your Instagram story. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. But if you still have question, you can also leave a comment down below. Bye.